Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a template in PandaDoc. So first head over to Google and type in PandaDoc. Type in the first link. Now let's get just started here. Let's log in with our Google account. So this is fast login. You must have a valid Google account. Click on Continue and allow access. Now here add your first name. For example, company name, company size, and phone number, and click on Start using PandaDoc. Now we'll be redirected to PandaDoc homepage dashboard. Here we can add, we're here on the PandaDoc dashboard, so head over to the left sidebar and click on Templates. So here we can just select two options. Either we choose templates from the library or you can upload your own template. So let's head over to the template gallery. For example, we're going to choose one of these templates and click on Use Template, Continue. So you will be redirected now to the template edit page. You can add a date, add some fields here, for example, the radio button option, so all this template is called yours. You can add file upload, radio button, checkbox, signature, etc. This is pretty much it, guys, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.